Still losing money as a trader. And you know what, guys, I feel for you so much because trading isn't easy. But what about if we could continue trading, but then set up a bit of automation where it would take you out of the trade, so there'd be no emotion when you're trading the markets. You're just letting the software do the work for you so you can get on and do other things, because you've probably identified that you're the problem when it comes to trading, because if you recognize that as quick as possible, then you can start to change. And most of my trading coaching is done to help people go from losing trader to winning trader. We get traders that have tried for the last 3 years to become a trader. They've tried everything, and then they come to me, and then I coach them into becoming a better trader and more consistent trader, or a consistent trader. But look, let me just show you something that you could do here, because this involves keeping you involved in trading, because you still want control over your signals and your risk parameters, but then setting up the automation. All right, so we're in the chart that I want to look at here, and we had on the German DAX a sell signal back on the 9th and 10th of June and the 11th and 12th, and it's dropped all the way down here. Now, manually as a trader, and my students in the trading room, we've been short in the DAX, all right? So we've been manually short in the DAX, physically placing trades in our broker, making some really nice profit. But let's say you couldn't make that profit because something got in the way. And it could have been the dopamine effect I've spoken about on other videos, or it could have been ADHD problems, or you just cannot follow a set of rules. Why not set it up to do the automation for you, do the trades for you? So this is where we go into the bot and the automation. All right, so let's just dive into it here. We're going to create the bot. Now we're going to do the momentum trigger strategy. We're going to type in here DAX, and this is a demo, but this is going to show you the trades that were exactly taken in that period of time. We're going to just use a 10 grand account. We're going to use British pounds, and we're going to go to the market that we got the signal on, that we found as through our scanning. Us human beings found that signal that it was going down. All right, so we felt like we're doing something. And then we're going to click the 15-minute chart. Now, this is the important bit here. Well, it's all important, but look, we want to get the direction right, because we had the sell signals on the bigger time frame, which you done very well to identify, and you could have identified that at the weekend or any particular day. You could have spent some time doing that. So we're going to look for sell signals. On our indicator here, we're going to go to the market to get into the trade. We're not going to place pending orders. You could do, but we're not going to. And then we're going to put our stop at the last swing, and we'll just do a 1.5 risk reward ratio. That's fine. We could play around with some others, but let's not be too greedy. Now, this is where it gets interesting. So I want to go into the custom date. So you'll be physically doing this. You get the signal on the time frame that you want, and then we go to the date that you've got that signal on. So we're going to go in here. We're going to find the date, and we're going to say, let's take it on this one here, right? So it's up to today's date. I'm doing this video on Friday, and so we've got the signal on the daily. Now this is the point where the machine takes over for you, and this is the point where you mess up as a human being taking those trades, because you get spooked out of the trade and the emotion gets in the way. So then the bot now takes the trades for us. All right, now you're managing all the risk here, which is really cool. All right, so we were doing short momentum triggered trades on the 15-minute chart. And over that period of time, it did 5.6 trades a day. Remember, 15-minute chart, it's quite quick, really. You could slow it down to a 1 hour time frame, but it made £2,544.86, a 25% return. Massive, absolutely massive, on autopilot, but partly on autopilot. So really nice trade here. Now you could slow it down, as I said, do 60-minute time frames. You could also slow it down and say, look, I don't want you to take trades overnight. I only want you to take trades when there's more liquidity. So the morning move that we do all the way through maybe till 9 o'clock at night, UK time. You could say that, or you could switch it off whenever you want to. So really nice, only 7% drawdown with a 25% gain, which was very nice indeed. 59% win rate. And this is quite conservative, guys. So this is a way of really stacking the odds on your side by having a signal direction I'm not even going to go into the long trade on the DAX over the last several months because it's been hugely profitable. It's a way of then removing yourself into the automation down here to take the trade for you. And you can set these up in funded accounts if the funded account allows a bot to take the trades for you. And it's a way of just removing. Now, we have students that do their manual trading, and we also have students that do the automated trading as well, partly automated. They want to confirm, like gold's been in a massive bull market. They've set trades up, and in the discovery phase over here on the left hand side, where we've got a league table of people with the bots, gold's been the biggest winner. Could you have made more money trading it manually yourself? I don't know, but the automation really does help with a lot of traders. And as a lot of my other videos say, if you're going to go into trading and do this yourself, you really do need to work on the mindset, the mindfulness, preparation, routine. There's a lot of stuff that you need to work on, and people enjoy that process of working. But if you just know that you are someone that just messes up all the time, just can't do it, I think it's really really encouraging and fantastic that you can admit that quickly to then move on to do something else, but you still want to continue trading. All right, so this is how here at Trading College we set it up, and we're just looking for these trades all the time that are going on big bull markets, and some of the results are just outstanding, guys. All right, so hope it helps. Don't forget, if you want to know more about it, click in the link down below, request a call back, and you'll speak to somebody about this, and we can give you more details on how to trade semi-automation here, because I think it really will help a lot of you traders, especially as well if you're doing the back testing. You can use this for back testing results as well. That also builds huge amount of confidence. But today I was just talking to you about semi-automation. All right.